In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Wix website using the editor. Whether you're new to Wix or looking to elevate your website's interactivity, this guide will walk you through every step of adding dynamic elements. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Wix website editor. This is your control center for building and customizing your site. Once you're there, look to the left of the screen where you'll find the Add button. Clicking on Add Elements is like opening a toolbox, giving you access to a variety of features that can make your site more engaging. Next, we'll explore the Interactive section. This is a treasure trove of dynamic elements that can captivate your visitors and keep them interacting with your content. Once you're in the Interactive menu, select the Lightboxes option. Lightboxes are pop-up windows that appear on top of your web page, which can be used for various purposes like showcasing promotions or encouraging visitors to sign up for newsletters. Moving along, we're focusing on promotion within the Lightboxes category. Here, you can choose a pop-up box style that matches your campaign goals, whether it's to grab attention with a special deal or to announce an event. Once you have your pop-up box, head over to Manage Lightboxes. This feature allows you to organize and customize your lightboxes based on the needs of your site. By managing these effectively, you ensure that visitors only see relevant pop-ups, enhancing user experience. After managing your lightboxes, it's time to set triggers. This step is crucial as it determines when and how your lightboxes appear. You can trigger pop-ups through actions like page loads or specific clicks, giving you control over interactions and helping tailor the experience to your visitors' behaviors. Now, let's fine-tune the look and feel of your pop-up by adjusting the layout. This is where you can modify the structure, whether you want a minimalistic style or something more detailed, ensuring consistency with the rest of your website design. Following layout adjustments, the Design section allows you to customize further by changing colors, fonts, and other visual elements. A well-designed pop-up should reflect your brand's style, reinforcing your identity to your site visitors. Finally, to add a final touch, explore the Animation and Effects options. These can enhance visibility and engagement by having your pop-up show up with a fade or slide effect, making the interaction even more captivating. With these steps, you've just transformed your Wix website, making it more interactive and visually appealing. Keeping your site dynamic and engaging is key in today's digital landscape, and the Wix editor gives you the tools to make it happen. Happy creating!